Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the simplest but crucial items. Check Roblox server status and ensure your account is active. Once done, restart your device and router and try a different network like a mobile hotspot to rule out local blocks. Make sure the Roblox app or browser is fully updated, then clear cache or app data so stale tokens cannot interfere. These steps remove common transient causes, so you can move to credential and device-level fixes with confidence. Now handle authentication specifics. Reset your password and enable two-step verification to force new tokens. You need valid fresh credentials. Once done, remove saved passwords and sign in from a fresh browser profile or a reinstall of the app to avoid corrupted session data. Make sure system clock is accurate, disable VPNs or proxies, and temporarily turn off firewall or parental controls that can block auth servers. These actions eliminate credential, session, and network-level blockers. Finish by validating access and preparing recovery. If you lost two-step access, use account recovery and contact Roblox support with proof like purchase receipts and email. While troubleshooting, check the browser dev console or app logs for error codes and messages that point to precise causes, then apply the matching fix. If problems persist, create a new test account to see if authentication fails globally or only for your account. Key tip: keep screenshots and error text ready when contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.